Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR 25. It says to simplify, and then it gives you a numerical expression. First of all, I want to note, do you see how these little end points have little curve ends? Those are brackets. They work just like parentheses. But do you see how these are straight up and down? If you see straight up and down, that's absolute value, which represents your distance from 0. If you have little brackets like this, even if you can only see a little curve in, like these brackets are not very defined, but brackets, you treat them just like parentheses. So I just wanted to make sure you were aware of that. So we're going to follow our order of operations. We'll work within parentheses first. So let me write our expression. Alrighty, whew, lot going on here. Lots of parentheses and brackets and absolute values. Alright, so we'll work within parentheses. I'll take care of this multiplication. 1/5 times negative 15. Sorry about that. 1/5 times negative 15. Negative 15 is the same as negative 15 over 1. So you have to understand, when you see parentheses next to each other and no operation in between, we assume it's multiplication. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 15 3 times. So that will be a negative 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 3 divided by 1 is negative 3. So this is just a little scrap work off to the side. So I still have my negative outside my brackets. Right here I get negative 3. Still have my plus sign. Now here I have to take care of absolute value of negative 4. Absolute value of negative 4. You say, what's the distance of negative 4 from 0? Oh, 4 units. So the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So that's a 4. I don't see an operation in between. I need to assume it's multiplication. Then I have my negative 1 here. All right. Keep my negative 3. Keep my addition. Addition happens in the very last step. 4 times negative 1. A positive times a negative is a negative. 4 times 1 is 4. Alrighty, now I'm ready to do this addition with inside the brackets. Negative 3 plus negative 4. Signs are the same. I'll find the sum, which means I'll add them. I'll keep the sign. So now I have negative negative 7. What's the opposite of negative 7? Opposite of negative 7 is a positive 7. So the final answer here is a positive 7. Right, I hope that helps. Order of ops is what you're following. Order of operations. We worked within our parentheses or grouping symbols. Those brackets. Within there, had there been any exponents, we would have taken care of that. We took care of any multiplication or division, left to right. And then in our last step, we took care of that addition or subtraction, left to right. All right, hope that helps. Oops, sorry, I jumped a slide.